Awesome. So you guys like SOS? You like SOS? What's your favorite George Miller song?
Need more dancing.
Cool. That's cool. What about you?
All of them.
All of them? What about Miley Cyrus? Do you like her? Do you like George Sparks? What's your favorite George Sparks song?
Yeah, Miley!
Good answer. What about the other side? Yeah! Perfect. Do you like Led Zeppelin? No. Okay, we're gonna play a song. Are you guys ready? This one's called... There you go! That's how you do it! Oh! John Taylor, get over here and show him how to dance. Now we're gonna dance like this guy. He's gonna help us dance. SOS, don't wanna second guess. It's the bottom line, it's true. I gave my heart for you, now my heart's into keep my heart. SOS, don't wanna second guess. It's the bottom line. I gave my heart for you, now my heart's into Great job, guys. That's for you. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate